can always see the night. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. I know we in the holidays, so happy holidays to you guys. Merry Christmas if you're a merry person. Happy Hanukkah. Happy holidays to all you guys. But today we're gonna be unboxing some FTP. This is from the most recent drop before the undefeated one. We do have a couple pieces that I didn't show you guys or talk about, but they are some cool pickups that I do want to talk about today. If you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave it a like down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I literally just recorded like 3 to 4 videos. I'm trying to record as much as I possibly can so then I can spend time with family. Like I said before, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, click them post notification bells because y'all already know videos don't be shared out here. But without any further ado, let's get straight into this video. Alright, so we're gonna start off real light. This right here is my first pickup. This FTP shoulder bag. This shit is fire, bruh. This shit is hard, bro. Come on, bruh. Damn, look at that reflective on it. Like, this right here is crispy. I'm not even gonna lie. Got that FTP on the bag too. They up in their game with the FTP. Look at this one. Got the upside down American flag with the FTP on it. This is clean as well. This feel like the inside of a lunchbox. You got the straps right here. Got the bag right here. What? That's sick. Alright, so I'm gonna keep it here for the rest of the video. But yo, this is fire. Like, you got that mesh pocket in the front. FTP stitched on right here. It's just simple, but at the same time it stands out. But next up, we do got a pair of kicks. I decided to buy some blazers, bruh. These were a steal. Like, I'm gonna show y'all more in depth, but hold up. So next up, we got these blazers right here. Normally people don't be fucking with the blazers, but I feel like they're actually hard. These are all white with the mustard check on it. These shits are hard, bro. I got these shits for like $20 and you cannot go wrong with them. Like, bruh, these are dope. Like, come on, son. I might fuck around, distress these, mess with the tongue a little bit, might make it a little bit doper. Can't go wrong with these for like $22, I think they were. Can't go wrong with them at all. Quick pickup, got the blazers right there. These are just an everyday sneaker. You could just throw these on, slide out the crib real quick. Beaters, you feel me? But still, dope sneaker at the end of the day. Nike blazers with the Nike on the back. Super hard. Yeah, alright.
Oh, damn. I'm finna fuck him.
But right here we got the FTP box. This is a lot. There's a lot of shit in here. So this is probably one of the reasons you clicked on the video. This FTP drop was crazy. Probably one of my more favorite drops. This one is actually hard, bro. Like, I don't know if I want to start with this one. Let's start with these right here. First, we got these beanies, bro. Like the loose gauge beanies. I should have just said fuck it and got the pink one too, but we got the black one right here. This is probably gonna become one of my most used beanies. I love this beanie. Like, it's just perfect. Small branding. Keep it simple, but it's still hard. Then we got the royal blue one. This one is hard. It's like a purplish royal blue. Super clean. This matches the Concords low key. But these beanies are hard. Definitely a vibe, bro. Definitely a vibe. Yo, these beanies are definitely a vibe, bro. Yo, so the FTP beanies go dummy hard. This shit is gonna be one of my most worn beanies. Y'all gonna see it a lot for sure. Then we got this blue one. Every time FTP drops beanies from now on, y'all gonna see me scoop them. $12 a piece, bro. I'm racking up on beanies from now on for sure, bro. So yeah, FTP beanies are definitely the way to go. Every drop I'm gonna try to scoop up. Whatever colors they got, double up, whatever it is. Definitely gonna be trying to get some of those. But next up, we do got this piece right here. Honestly, FTP has been stepping it up. Look at the bag, bro. Even the bag says FTP. That's honestly clean. We got the vest right here. This vest is crazy, bro. We got the FTP right there. FTP branding on the inside. Got like a target right here, which is also sick. You got carabiner, all that type of shit. Yo, this is hard, bro. Damn. We got the flag upside down on the back with the zipper right there. We got like a button, some shit at the bottom. This shit is crazy. I honestly been looking for a vest for a minute, and this one right here is A1 steak sauce. I didn't have to pay $150 like if it were Supreme. This is just clean, bro. Come on, son. Got the extra pockets. It just feels like a cargo vest. It's more of like a thicker material. It's perfect in my opinion. I really do like this piece like a lot. Definitely gonna be keeping this in the personal collection. I might be selling the safety vest honestly, because this one is fire, bro. We also did get the rubric Rubik's Cube. Let me open this up real quick. We got the Rubik's Cube with the FTP side. I'm not even gonna undo this shit because I won't be able to build it. FTP Rubik's Cube, definitely a lit accessory to have. Room tour is gonna be real sick. I'm trying to tidy it up before I do record it, but a lot of good things on the way finally, bruh. I've been slacking, I know. We got this handcuff tee right here. This one is actually really hard. One of my favorite FTP tees. I like that old English type font right there. It says I want my lawyer. Then on the bottom you got the FTP branding. This one is fire, bro. I feel like I got it in one of the best colors. After this I would have went for the purple one, but this right here is icy, bro. Definitely one of my favorite pieces from the drop. So I picked up the vest. I got this tee, which is crazy on the back. I got the 2 beanies, the waist bag, the Rubik's Cube, and I got one more thing to show y'all. This shit is extravagante. Like, I picked up this shit right here. Let me just open this real quick. Bro, we got a sledgehammer. Like, what in the fuck is going on? We got a whole sledgehammer right here. This is honestly really dope that FTP made this. It looks like it's been used right here. I don't know, but still pretty cool. I don't even know how to display this. Like, how, bruh? At the end of the day, we got a sledgehammer right here. This shit is crazy, bruh. Insane. This is honestly a dope ass accessory for them to drop. I don't know when or where I would use this, but this shit would hurt. This shit would hurt. I'm gonna just put this over here somewhere. This is sick. Like, come on. They're on their Supreme crowbar type shit right now. In that big box, we got 3 stickers. We got the Miami Vibes type FTP logo. We got the upside down flag once again. Then we got like this McDonald's colorway FTP logo. These are really sick stickers. I really hope they do something with these because they are hard. My favorite one would definitely have to be this Miami color, or this flag colorway is also really sick. But those are the stickers we got. I got one more thing to talk about, then we'll get straight up out of this video. Like a week or 2 ago, I got these right here. Got the Concords. I did mean to make a video on these. I think I did because I ended up with 2 pairs. One of them I actually am selling. I don't know if I dropped a video for me selling stuff prior to this video or after, but I literally just recorded it. But I did get 1 pair which I'm gonna be selling, and then I ended up with a double up, which is the personal pair. These shits are crazy, bruh. Straight up heat for the feet, bruh. I don't care what you say, bruh. If you like Jordans and you call yourself a sneakerhead but don't like these, you are tripping. Ooh, almost not close enough, but you could pull it off. That is sick. Y'all already know this is a sick combo. We got the Concords right here. Like, what can I really say about this pair of sneakers that you don't already know? That's honestly why I didn't drop the video, because I feel like everybody knows. Come on, bruh. You can't go wrong with these. They finally dropped them. Next year, we're gonna be getting the breads, which is insane. I'm definitely going for those. I got these and the Space Jams. Looking to get those, and hopefully the year after that we get cool grays, because those shits are fire. But right here we do got the Concord 11s, 45 on the back, Concord on the bottom, which is honestly so beautiful. On these we got the high patent leather. I honestly don't really care what cut they are. I like them either way, but bang, some close looks for you guys right there. That pretty much does it for this video. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like down below if you did. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. It definitely means a lot. Click the post notification bell so you're notified every time we post a video. And with all that out the way, man, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Stay up. And I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel.